If you notice any condensation, open windows or vents to let the moisture escape. You can even dry the bath and tiles after you shower or take a bath. If you have to hang wet clothes indoors, make sure you have a window open. When cooking, put lids on pans to lock in that moisture. If you have an extractor, use that too, and if not, open a window. Now, dehumidifiers, they won't get rid of mould, but can certainly help prevent it by drawing in excess moisture. If you're getting one for a warm room, then you'll want what's called a refrigerant or compressor dehumidifier. You just need to place it in the centre of your home and keep internal doors open so it draws out all that water from the air. If you want a dehumidifier for a colder space like a garage, you'll need the desiccant type, which doesn't require warm air. And last but not least, try to prevent sudden rises and falls in air temperature, as this can increase condensation. Keeping your heating on low and constant will help, as will draft excluders. Now, if you've already got mould, let's tackle it. Head to which.co.uk for how to remove mould with stuff you have around the house.